is one other issue that I would like to raise with you, if I may, Minister. And that, of course, is the cluster of cases of Covid-19 that we've seen in meat processing plants in Wales, and that reflects what we've seen in other nations such as the USA and Germany and so on. And what I want to know is what you as Minister and what the Welsh Government is doing in responding proactively to these situations rather than waiting for cases to arise. Shouldn't we now be developing a testing program specifically targeted at processing plants such as these so that we can catch these cases at an early stage and reduce risks that would spread into the community?
Thank you. Well, I asked my officials to do a rapid piece of work. We've called this an initial density and environment risk assessment of not just meat processing plants, abattoirs, but also all our food businesses. That piece of work is well underway. I'm expecting an initial report by close of play today, because I think it is important that we look at what's happened internationally. You mentioned America and Germany that have seen similar outbreaks and clusters. It's really important that we learn lessons. It's also important that we learn lessons from our own meat processing plants. So if you think about, well, probably all of them, they've got sister companies in other countries. So I know that they themselves, so Keepak, 2Sisters, Dunbeer, are all looking within their own organisations and are feeding in to my officials with this. So this is a very rapid piece of work, as I say, and I will be getting the report today, because I think it's very important that we continue to work very closely together. So obviously I've been having discussions with the Health Minister. Public Health Wales are obviously very involved as well, and the local authorities, and the health boards, and our Test, Trace, Protect I think has really been tested and has come through, but we obviously need to keep a very close eye on this.